my channel viewers. Today we will discuss about latest technical news. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel so that I can create more such videos. So let's start. First in our list is Android 11. Yes, you heard it right. We all were very excited to get it in our mobiles, but sadly the beta launch so delayed amid the protest in US. Google said on Saturday that it has postponed the next week's planned unveiling of the beta version of its latest Android 11 in a message posted in its Android developers website. Second in our list is Mitro app. Mitro app is an emerging TikTok alternative that has gained popularity in short time, but allegedly it has a vulnerability that could allow an attacker to compromise user accounts and send messages on behalf of that specific user. Secondly, new report suggests that the app was bought by a developer from Pakistan, Qboxes, and the original app name is TikTik. They have sold the source code on Code Canyon platform with $34 to a student of IIT Roorkee. Now we don't have any specific information, so if you know any correct information, please do write it down in the comments. Third in our list is OnePlus 8 Pro. Now OnePlus 8 Pro inadvertently disables the color filter camera globally. Users in global markets have received a new Oxygen OS update that has disabled the color filter camera that was recently found to have see-through capabilities for some materials like plastics. New Oxygen OS version 10.5.9 has disabled the color filter through an update. So if you want the color filter temporarily stay with your existing Oxygen OS, prefer delaying the update. Fourth in our list is Samsung. Samsung is all set to launch Samsung Galaxy M11 and Samsung Galaxy M01 two new mobiles in India on 2nd of June via Flipkart. M01 has a price of 8,999 rupees for 3GB and 32GB variant, and on the other hand M11 it is a successor of Galaxy M10 and reportedly will have a price of 10,999 rupees for the 3GB and 32GB variant and 12,999 rupees for 4GB and 64GB variant. Fifth in our list is again Samsung. Now Samsung has launched its Samsung Galaxy Book S 2020 series laptop with Intel Lakefield chipset and 8GB of RAM variant. Now it packs a 13.3-inch Full HD display with 512GB of storage. The laptop is offered in two color variant option and it has a 42-watt battery. The price tag would be around 84,000 rupees. So if you are really waiting for this laptop, please do write it down in the comments. Now next in our topic is Xiaomi. Xiaomi, or in short MI, has started their hands-on experience in preparing washing machines. And they are about to launch also some laptops like thin and light and gaming laptops. But officially they are saying there will be no entry-level affordable laptops. So if you have some budgets and you are planning to buy some laptops, please consider waiting for Xiaomi's new laptop launch. So that was all the tech news, guys. So if you have liked the video, please do let me know in the comments and kindly subscribe the channel so that I can create more such videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.